Today I'm going to be showing you how to make bubble tea. In this week's video, I'm going to be showing you how to make homemade tapioca pearls, and in next week's video, I'm going to be showing you how to make the bubble tea drink. So let's get started. In a pot over medium heat, add in your water and your brown sugar. You can also use palm sugar instead. That's what I'm using because I didn't have brown sugar on hand at the time. So just cook it until it's melted and then bring it to a boil. Try not to stir it too much as the sugar may crystallize. Once it's hot, take it off, and then in a bowl add in your tapioca flour, and then using a spoon create a well. And then add in your sugar water little bit by little bit. It has to be boiling hot water or else it will not work and you will not get the dough consistency. And I've made it. It's now a dough and time to shape. So I've got a dusted surface and got some extra flour ready, and yeah, I'm just going to shape them. I usually cut them into strips and then just cut them into even smaller pieces, but you can shape them however you want and however big you like. I'm going to cut them kind of small so that they can fit through a straw. I'm going to smooth them out a little bit, but if you don't want to, that's fine. Make sure you have lots of flour so that they don't stick. And it's time to cook them now. So get some boiling water and pour in your bubbles. Tapioca pearls, and stir occasionally so that they don't stick. Boil them for 8 minutes. Once the 8 minutes is over, turn off the heat and put a lid on top. Now let this sit for 10 minutes. Once you're done, take it off the heat and then pour it into an ice bath. This is just water and some ice. This is to shock it and keep the consistency right. So I'm making a syrup. You need water, some brown sugar, again you can use palm sugar, and just mix it until it's all dissolved. Bring it up to a simmer and add in all your tapioca pearls. Now cook until the syrup has thickened like this, and you're done. And that's it. Make sure you stay tuned for next week's video where I'm going to be showing you how to make the milk tea to serve with the tapioca balls. Don't forget to like and subscribe and comment down any requests you have in the comments.